Good night. My name is William Andres Correa. This is my personal ID. And my future plans, and having clear goals in life allow people to achieve what they set up to win. There is discipline and hard work. Having goals for the future makes it possible to build a better life. And if I were intelligent now, in the future, I will achieve my personal goals, and because I will because I will continue studying. I hope that if from now on I will start to build my future, then I will to able to enjoy my one home, and also gradually as also a lawyer and business manage, and that is why it is very important for me and to have a strong mentality. In the future, I will finish in paying the and mortgage to get my one house. I hope that in the future I will gradually, as a business manage, because I will be managed of the company where I work. And as for me, future wishes, I will travel to many parts, to know other cities, because I will dedicate myself with my family to travel in the country. I will dedicate myself to raising my children and share time with my wife and family. And I will manage to have in 2 years my one business and everything in productive projects.